Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the Mi Selfie Stick tripod. So I've already bought the Mi Selfie Stick. I don't really use it much because nowadays selfie stick is not in, as in you would not really see anybody using it. But this is something different. This is a selfie stick and a tripod in one. So it's this big and it's got a Bluetooth remote in it. So you can put your phone or whatever on it in one place, and then with the remote you can click pictures with that. So it's really useful. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and finally it's available in the Mi store now. So I bought it from Season Small. So let's see what all do you get with this. Let's open it up. Okay. Accessory box. Okay, so that's it. Let's remove that. There's a pamphlet, nothing else. Keep that aside, keep this aside, keep that there. Okay, let's see what's in the accessory box first. I didn't really expect anything to be there. Maybe a charging cable. Okay. Oh, so this is the remote. How does it charge? Okay, so you don't get a charging cable with it. So you don't get a micro USB cable. So you get the remote and you get the selfie stick itself. Now let's see, what does this say? So the user manual says how to use it. Basically put the phone in and you can use it as a selfie stick. What else? Okay, shooting, charging and sleep mode. Okay, so nothing much. Okay, so let's take a closer look. Now this is the selfie stick itself. Selfie stick tripod. Now it resembles exactly like the selfie stick that you get from Mi, but that's not a Bluetooth version, that's a wired version. We'll be comparing it with that also later on. Now when you look at it straight away, you won't really realize that there is a tripod built into it. Now you open it up this way. Now this has some function. Now you pull it like this and this head turns. So you can't, if you want you can park it like this, or you want you can rotate it and park it like that. So whichever way you want to use it, and then depends on what camera you want to use, the front camera, back camera, accordingly you can turn this and then you can use it that way. So that's very useful, very nice. I didn't really see this in actually I have not seen this in any of the tripods that I've used, but that's very good. Now let's look at the tripod itself. Now these open up, so you have 3 legs, so the tripod stands like that. So this is good enough for regular shoots, regular pictures. You have the remote which is detachable, so you can roam around with it, sit somewhere far and then press the remote and this will take a photo. This is the Mi selfie stick. This is the wired version. Now let me just close it and show you. So if you look at the size, they are exactly the same. This is a little bit taller, but exactly the same. Just that this is entirely a rubber grip, nothing there, just a button. But this here, there's no rubber. At the bottom there's rubber for the stand, and then this part has some rubber, so you can hold it like this and then you can use it. Frankly speaking, I would like this one better than this one, even though the price of this one is pretty less, but using a wired one is always a big problem. Now this one is a Bluetooth version, so I can remove this button. Actually I put it upside down. I can remove the remote anytime, use the selfie stick as a tripod, put it wherever I want, and I can click. This I can just use it by pressing the button over here, so I can't really do much with this. Okay, so how to pair your Bluetooth remote with the phone. So first of all, switch it on. Now if it's new, as soon as you switch it on, you will see this blinking light. If it's blinking like that, that means that it is in pairing mode. If it's not in pairing mode, switch it off and then switch it back on by keeping it pressed. Keep it pressed for 5 seconds and then it'll go into the pairing mode anyways. So let's go into the Bluetooth menu. Okay. And now pair a new device. Okay, so the name for this remote is XMZPG. I don't know why is that done that way. Normally it should have said MI remote or something, but I don't know. That's the name. So in case you get confused, which one is it? XMZPG. That's the remote. Choose that one. Okay, allow, pair, and then it's done. So now it's connected. Now all I have to do is open up the camera, and now I'll take the remote, press the button, and the picture is clicked. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so the initial impression is very nice. This is a very solid tripod cum selfie stick. This can be used for a lot of different purposes. Now, when I say a lot of different purposes, there are a lot of people who are into making videos nowadays. Now, for example, this is just an example. I'm not affiliated to this app. If you might have heard of Musical.ly. So there are a lot of people who make music videos, sorry, not videos. They make videos, comedy, dancing, talent, and everything. So I also have a Musical.ly account. I just don't make any videos, but I also have one. And the biggest problem for people who make these kind of videos are holding the camera. The camera moves a lot, keeping it in one place and then shooting, the positioning, and all these problems. Now this will help them in making a video wherever they want, and this is portable. So it's that big. You can just put it in your back pocket and roam around. You can keep it in your bag wherever you want to. And as soon as you want to make a video, just take it out, take out the tripod, put it there, put the phone whichever way you feel like. That's the second point which I was going to go to. I can put a phone like this now. So I can keep it in portrait mode. So I can keep it that way. And if I don't want it to be that way, regular regular tripod mode or regular selfie stick mode is this one. Okay, so I can even keep it this way. I can hold it like this, take selfies, or I can keep it like that and then make a video, or just do, maybe in case you are doing voice calling, I mean you are talking to someone abroad, or doing a WhatsApp call or whatever. It's really difficult holding it like that and then talking. Just put it on this and then talk easily. You don't have to hold your phone every time. So very nice product. The only downside though is this is a warning for all the people who are going to try to pull this out. This only extends till this much. This is the length. This is supposed to be there. So even in the pictures, online pictures, the MI store pictures, you will see that when the selfie stick it's in tripod mode, this remains there. It's not pulled out. There's a reason to it. The reason is this helps in balancing the entire selfie stick. Now this much, this length, it can balance. This length, it can keep the phone straight even if the phone's weight is going here and there a little bit, because this counterbalances it. If you try to pull it out, it does come out a little. Let me just show you. If I use force, it does come out a little, but as soon as it comes out completely, this is going to break and the entire legs are going to fall off. So now let me just show you how it works. I won't be able to show you the entire length, but you give it a nice pull. The end part takes a little pull, maybe because it's new. Wow, I actually broke it. Okay, so I broke it. I pulled it too much. Let me just put it back. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.